Hello guys, welcome to my channel guys. I would like to review with you and we're gonna be opening this can. This has been with us for quite a long time. This was part of an Ayuda. An Ayuda means it is uh, it is a gift. It is a gift for these pandemic times. We call this as an ayuda because it is a gift from some very generous individuals. So let's try because this is lakeside pork with juices. So let's try because it's been a long time. I didn't open it because I don't know what to do with it, how to eat it, how to prepare it, or can we just eat it right away, or can we just mix it with veggies or some noodles or something to that effect. So today I'm gonna show you what this is all about. So let me get something to pour this out with. Ready na tayo. Andito na ating can opener. So here. So I'm just gonna open this. It's kind of hard. So hard. Huh?
I can only give her one because he's just a baby. A baby. A baby.
Yeah. Okay. Move away from here because I'm... Dong! Hinahin na dong kay I'm doing something. Oh my gosh. This is something else, guys. Yan. Oh. Why? Okay. There you go. Dong. Tabangin sa ko dong, be. Abri sa ni. Nya nagkuha na ba ko? Abri sa diha, be. Hindi na ko kaya ang pagkuhan. Sorry guys. Soon makikita na natin guys kung ano ba talaga ang laman ng kana yan. So tingnan natin kung baboy ba talaga yan. Ayan. Wala lang talaga pala akong ano guys. Yan po, open na siya. Yan. Oh no! No! Agoy kwa adong. Nagsinamok. Here guys. Matang guys, napagigipang sinamok na to. Hala, ang iya laging tubig guys kay it's not the one that I expected. It's watery. Wow. I'm just gonna, ayan guys, oh. Okay. So there's no more. Oh my gosh, look. Guys. Me show. There you go. So that's how it looks like. So I wonder if we can eat this, guys, maybe. I hope this has not expired yet. So maybe what we can do with this, make some veggies or make gisa of this, or maybe make of this some adobo, something like that, right? Look.
Yeah.
Then ito yung the nutritional facts. 120 calories. It has saturated fat 15%, cholesterol 12%, sodium 6%. Lord have mercy. And there's no dietary fiber. Check. Okay. Now, zero vitamin E, but there's iron 2%, calcium higher than 2%. Wow. So it has salt. At least it has no phosphorus. Kasi in my case, guys, this pork is fully cooked in its own juices and it's ready to use. Use kala pork for salads, sandwiches, soups, stews, barbecue, spaghetti sauce, meat pies, casseroles, tacos, or over egg noodles. Use juices and fat from canned pork to flavor cooked vegetables, soups, or gravy. Wow! So it has everything there, guys. That says it all. So, pwede pala siyang gamitin para sa kung anik-anik na gusto mong gawin para sa kanya. Guys, thank you so much for being with me always. As much as possible, binabalik ko ang mga naiiwan ninyong bakas. So, thank you so much for watching my videos. Again, I have reviewed with you and we opened this can which was part of our Ayuda here in America, which is this pork. Bye guys!